That seems like a lot. Getting closer to 1,000. Right. Although, when we were people the other day, I realized something. She's cheating when it comes to sneezing. When she sneezes, almost always, she separates her sneezes into 2 parts. That's not fair. She almost sneezes twice. Always. I think today I did almost. She's half sneezing both hands. I do one big sneeze. Right? Yeah. Rigged, right? Drama. Beeble is half sneezing so she can spread her sneezes more. She's going like, you know when you're like, achoo! Achoo! That's what she's doing. But she's not making it sound like that. She's only half sneezing. She's holding half of the sneeze in. What the heck? Right, you're hacking. Yeah, she's like, oh, I sneeze a lot, even more than Mococo. I sneeze big. Whoa, those are really. That's not nice to say. I sneeze big. What are we gonna do? We gotta crush the cheater, Moco-chan. I'm world renowned for my sneezing. We're gonna have to stop her into the ground, nose down, so she can't sneeze into the dirt. My skill. Hey, are you? She's taking the EN sneeze crown. Moco-chan, you want all the sneeze crown, the biggest sneeze crown. Won't let me or somebody have the sneeze crown either, right? My skill. I can't play games like people. Let me have sneezing. The Achian versus the Hekishibu. Mio-senpai's Hekishibu. My allergies got better recently. And I've been trying to take care of myself. Let me have sneezing, okay? She can't play Dark Souls like Babel, but she can sneeze. Heck of a sneezer. Bye bye.